The next part you need is a build kit. So this kit is from Palmetto, obviously, and it includes both the lower parts kit. It has buffer tube, buffer spring, buffer, all of the springs, detents, pins, everything you need. It has a full fire control group in it, stock, pistol grip, it has everything. You can buy them like this in kits, or you can also buy the parts individually if you want to do that, if you want to kind of customize it. That's one of the nice things about AR-15s. You can literally build it out for you. So, kits like this, super cool. Palmetto does a great job with these kits. You get these, it comes with literally everything you need, including stickers. So, lower parts kit, they're all individually bagged. These are the springs, detents, pins, everything like that. This one in particular came with some Magpul furniture, so that's a Magpul stock, Magpul pistol grip. That's your fire control group, trigger, hammer, disconnector, and all the springs. There's your buffer tube, castle nut, end plate, buffer spring, and buffer. And your trigger guard. That is literally everything you need to build out a lower receiver.